Financial planning? Boring. Old folks think about saving and retiring, life insurance and investments, not me. Sounds familiar? Well, most of us put off planning for our future for years, and then one day it's like waking up to a nightmare and the awful realisation that we don't have enough savings and that it's too late to catch up. This is a common disaster, but one that can so easily be avoided with just a little bit of help. And of course, what we forget is that there are lots of events to plan for in life. Getting married, having children, buying a home, and of course our kids' education and your own retirement. To pay for all these things, you need to be prepared. No matter what opportunities you may have missed out in the past, be it planning for your kids' university fees or even thinking ahead about your own protection and retirement, today is the start of the rest of your financial life, and C. Joe Matthews is the right person for you. He understands that everyone's needs are distinctly different, and he'll work with you to create your own financial blueprint that's a perfect fit for your future. Working with C. Joe Matthews means you can dare to dream about financial freedom and to look forward to what could be around the corner, knowing you're well protected and well prepared to take care of the family. C. Joe has the knowledge and experience in a wide range of insurance and investment areas to help protect your family, manage money, and meet all of your personal and even business insurance needs. His expertise lies in critical illness and disability protection cover to secure your long-term future. He works with the global community here in the UAE to maximise their tax-free advantages and is skilled in assisting with the forward planning, be it for your children's protection, college education, even their wedding, and last but not least, when you decide to go back home to your own country for a retired life, which is also free of concerns about any major expenses towards the family's health. C. Joe is a 3-year qualifying member of the Elite $1 Million Roundtable, the premier association of financial professionals from across the globe, which speaks volumes about how respected he is for the knowledge and experience he has. Life is unpredictable, so don't put off planning for a better life that can start today, this very moment. Talk to C. Joe Matthews right now about your future. With C. Joe, you'll be in a position to say, I'm glad I did that, instead of, oh, I wish I'd done that. Call today for an assessment.